Hello again, friends. You see, I'm in my kitchen and like any other kitchen in the world, of course, I got problems with the hinges, cabinets hinges. This is the problem, never-ending story problem. So today I want to show you how I'm dealing with this. You see down there, it's wobbling, and I tried any other suggestion, you know, like super glue, wood glue, and even some extra pins of woody stuffs. Still not working. So today I'm gonna install some of these metallic plates like this. I already did it for the bathroom here. You see that? Look there. And I can say it's perfect. Look, the way, you know, it's lined again, and I have to say it's beautiful. So what I'm trying to say, I want to show you today about the way I'm having these things done. And here we go. You see, first of all, I'm gonna take out this how you call it, braking element. Okay, this is out, and then I will absolutely taking the door out. You see, it's already gone. And the door itself. Look at this huge screws. The clutch is not working anymore. Huge screws. Okay, so it's looking like this one also need to be okay. This is pretty stable, but this one, it's playing all around. So I'm going to have another metallic piece right there. But for now, let me show you how I'm dealing with this, let's call it in place parts. First of all, we need to clean this very well. Debris and extra, because I need the surface to be in line again. Okay. Let's open one of these thingies. There you go. Got the screws also. 6 screws with the set, with the kit. Next move, double tape. Perfect. All right, 2 of these picks. 1 here, 1 here. And then we go straight with the holes. Okay, there we go. This is in place for sure. Now let's have some fixing screws. Come on. It's so crazy. These screws have a tendency to go in another dimension to escape Earth's gravity. Okay, so this is done. The next one will go down here. Same story. Double tape, toothpicks. So I use this in, align this with the holes, and we are done. And I'm done too. Hurting my finger. Oh no, crazy. Perfect. Okay, let's have one of these metal brackets installed. Let's install this right here. This is a very simple task. Somehow open the kit. Okay, so this is really obvious. It's going like this. Perfect. Extra screws. Don't overdo. It's enough. That should be enough. So far I can say that most of the problems are with the upper hinges. Down here it's fine, it's solid. I can say nothing left to do but to put everything back into the cabinet. Okay, now alignment. It's a different story. Yes, the positioning is very sensible and important in the same time. Okay, maybe I should put this a little bit higher. Okay, like this. What's wrong here? And there we go. Let's see. Almost. Here, we need a little bit of adjustment. Okay. Perfect. You see that? This is so perfect. The lines down here are great. What I left to do is to put that break something back again. But this time I'm gonna have it in the middle somewhere. Like this maybe. So then I have a proper pressure in the middle of the things. See it? Beautiful. So I have this, let's call it hinge, and I having this in the position. It's done. And the next one. Perfect. All right, let's see. Beautiful. There we go. Yes, people, it's done. Same story will happen with the next door right here, but for now I think the story is done already. So, like always, that's it for today. Don't forget, subscribe, push the like button. To my sponsors, thanks Radu for this lamp, for the camera I'm shooting within. So, until the next one, I hope you have fun. See you. Bye bye.